Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block Royal Match ads. Are you tired of constantly seeing Royal Match ads while using app or playing game? In this video, I will show you step by step how to reduce and block Royal Match ads on your phone. First, it's important to know this. You cannot block any Royal Match ads completely on iPhone, but you can reduce how often they appear by limiting ad tracking and personal ads. These ads usually shows up because app tracks your activity. This is most important step. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Tap on tracking. Turn allow apps to request to track off. Once this is off, app can no longer track your to show targeted ads like Royal Match. Next, limit Apple ad system. Go back to the setting, tap on privacy and security, scroll down and tap on Apple advertising, turn personalized ad off. This reduces game ads across apps. Royal Match ads come from free games. If a game has an option like remove ads, ad setting, ad preference, enable it, or consider the ad-free version if available. You can also install an ad blocker app from your app store. This app helps block ads in Safari. Some apps, certain games, they won't block every ad but they reduce many of them. After confirming these settings, you can also restart your iPhone. This helps to refresh ad performance and reduce repeated ads. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.